A country home in Conestogo, where the Grand and Conestogo rivers meet, surrounded by nature and backing onto the Conestogo Golf Club. This is 1796 Sawmill Road. The front of the home has spectacular curb appeal and a large private front porch. The rear foyer with soaring ceilings leads up to the main living spaces. The great room with massive windows, high ceilings, and exposed beams is filled with natural light. This bright modern space featuring timeless touches, a nod to the home's historic past. The main floor features traditional living spaces including a parlor and dining room at the front of the home. This area leads to a bright and newly renovated eat-in kitchen. The main floor living room is large and leads to a 3-season sunroom with gorgeous views and access to one of several outdoor spaces. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms including a large primary suite with walk-in closet and a balcony overlooking the rear yard. The ensuite bathroom is truly a spa-like retreat. 2 levels with soaker tub, stand-up shower, and high-end design. Outside, the nearly 1-acre property is perfect for venue-style entertaining, large gatherings, or the perfect place for a pool. Full of modern-day conveniences with touches of historic charm, this renovated home is meticulous. The floors have been refinished and there are many updates throughout. You have golf just outside your door, a host of activities along both rivers, and just steps away from one of the best restaurants in the region. To see this home in person, contact Kathy Long and Luann Hansey from Remax Twin City Realty.